Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel.
Hey Grant, you're up.
Thanks Ethan. It's time for the Maker Pipe Remix Challenge. Stay tuned and enjoy. So I've taken my little mock-up straw model and I've translated it into some cut lists of different sizes of conduit I'm going to need to cut up, and then hopefully at the end of it I'll have a fun ladder game. When I initially designed this, I had these corner bits at the top and they had an extra 2 inches. Now, I decided to change it up and put these at all 3 spots. And guess what? I forgot to change my cut list. So I cut this to 34 inches instead of 36. That made it up for the 2 inches. So I'm going to backtrack a little bit and install these at the top. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, I'd appreciate you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Now, I really enjoyed this maker pipe because you can easily pack this away and I can store it in my camper and I'll have it with me anytime I need to. But the fun part of the maker pipe remix challenge is now I'm going to pack it all away and send it off to a friend of mine. Just finished digging that magic hole to Texas. It's your turn for the Maker Pipe Remix Challenge, Dean.
Let's see. Yep, that's it. God, I hate to receive a gift and not offer anything back. Hey, Grant, are you thirsty?
I'm always thirsty. Oh, yeah. Until next time, cheers and have a great day.